Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing. We're going to talk about the, one of the items in this box because there's two, and we'll go from there. Just a quick video. Appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. This is for this box right here. What is up everybody? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys are doing well, and gals. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I'm going to put the camera right here. And I'm going to cut this open again. And then, I'm going to take one of the items out. So there's two items in this box. One, and then the other one is right there. That's why this box is bulging so much. They are very awkward. I'm just going to take one out. They are the Fenders, or quarter panels, is what I call them. I call them quarter panels. For the Sr5, move the camera. There you go. So they're just little straps. So it's right here, 3768. Aftermarket replacement part. The original Toyota number is TO1241166. 4Runner Fender, 96 to 2002, with molding holes. And this is the holes right here for the fender flares. Just peel it open a little bit. DoorDash and $100 wine voucher. That's interesting. Everybody seems to be sending those wine vouchers for some reason. Alright, get this box moved out the way. I'll be putting it back in the box to protect it. So this is the passenger side. So they're primed black. This is the side that has the cutout for the antenna motor. And these are the clip holes and everything for the fender flares that are on the truck. The passenger, this is the passenger side. The driver side is still in this box, which is this one right here. TY10106B-LH for left. 4Runner. 4Runner 96 to 02. These are Tong Yang brand, which is fine. Not a big deal. These are actually according to... there's a little damage on this one right here. It's not smooth right here. We're gonna have to try to pinch that back. Everything else looks okay. The mounting brackets. Everything looks pretty good. This is a little bent right here. There's actually a couple bends that aren't supposed to be in here. These are pretty fixable, easy. These are made in Taiwan, which is fine. The truck is made in Japan, but I did pick up both sides. The corner lights actually go right here, where this is right here. That's where the corner lights go, and there's two of them in the box, right and left side. Looks like there's a little bit of tweaking that needs to be done. This needs to be flattened a little bit, some sharp edges, and then there is a spot right here that needs to be bent back in, but other than that it looks fine. Definitely got my fingerprints all over it and all the grease on my fingers. I'll clean it. And we'll end up installing it. This indent, I don't believe this indent is supposed to be here though, but it's a very nice panel. Really? I get a light out and then it falls. Stop scratching the crap out of the panel. I'm not sure why it fell, but it's a decent looking panel. I'm only gonna unbox one because I'm gonna end up putting it back in the box, and I'll bring you guys outside. It's kind of dark at the moment. I call them quarter panels. Lots of people call them fenders. Cat. Really? Cat? Seriously? I'm not playing with you. You don't belong in here. I don't know why you running in the house. A stray cat had kittens in my yard. Turn the light on. Alright, so that piece is this panel right here. So the parking light is this light right here. It's busted out. That's what goes into this panel. So this really badly dented panel is what's on the electrical cart. It's actually this one right here. So this one's actually not in bad condition, other than this corner is pretty badly dented in, and it looks like that dent is actually already there. There's that dent right there. So that's the body line dent, so it's supposed to be there, but see, here is where the hole in the panel for the antenna goes. But the reason that panel has holes is because these fender flares go into those holes. There you go. So these fender flares go into those holes. But just a quick video, guys. Turn this light off. The kid probably ran in looking for food or looking for a cool place to sit or something. I don't know. It is a lot cooler in here. But that's what this panel is. That's what these holes are for. It's specifically meant for those fender flares, because those fender flares are very wide. But it's a decent looking panel. I'm gonna have to see if I can get these scratches out when it fell. But that's about it. The quarter light, the parking lights sit in here. That's what that cutout is for. The antenna. It's got all the mount holes. Let me grab the panel. Also has the hole that's in the front that sits into the housing buckets. So there's a hole right here. It's in the front. That hole is where the front headlight valance, the little metal valance, it's a rectangular valance, goes right here. But just a quick video, guys. I can always contact them and ask them to send me another one if there's if I can't fix this panel, which I don't have any reason to think that I can't fix it, because it's just a simple, quick little couple problems, you know, a couple little bends here and there. It's not a big deal. I'm just putting it back into the box right now. I'm gonna fold this back over, put all of these latches back on it, make sure that it's protected until I can get to it, because I need to paint it. Need to pick up paint that's gonna match the metallic Millennium silver, and then I'm gonna have to paint the whole panel. Then for both of them, I'm gonna have to fix and re-bend out what's dented behind this panel, because on the truck this panel got completely smashed on the driver's side, as well as the frame rail, which is the body rail of the truck. It actually is completely attached. So I picked these parts up. You know, who knows, maybe I'll find a body for a couple $1,000s and I'll just buy a whole body, which would be from the front all the way to the rear, and then I won't have to use these panels, but I'll have them in case they're needed. If I can't find a body, well then I have to use these panels. I will be giving you guys updates on the progress. So this dent right here is supposed to be here. It's actually a body line dent. But that's all I got for you guys today. I'm not going to, you know, take the other one out the box or anything like that. I'm probably going to put both of these back in the box and then take this box out to the barn and leave it in the barn until I have all the parts needed. I do have a bunch of bumper parts. I did a previous video, showed the lower bumper valance and the upper bumper valance and the bumper retainer. I haven't gotten the bumper yet. I'm still waiting. I did get all 4 turn signals because I ended up buying a headlight kit. Came with 2 headlights, 2 fog lights, 2 turn signals, and ended up getting an extra pair of turn signals because the bumper kit came with a set of turn signal housings as well. Not a big deal. The Limited needs turn signal housings. They are kind of cracked, so not a big deal. I got 4 turn signals, one for the set for the SR5, one for the Limited, but got more parts coming, a lot more parts coming. I do appreciate your guys' time. If you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comments. No, they're not Toyota parts, but Toyota, this fender right here from Toyota is especially if I get it brand new from Toyota, which is not easy because, you know, they may have some in their warehouse, but they may not be available. And I did contact Toyota and they told me this panel alone is like $900. I got 2 of these for like $180. So I figured it's just easier to go aftermarket, pick up parts. You know, it doesn't really matter. As long as the truck looks like a 4Runner when it's done, it doesn't really matter what the panel is. You know, one day maybe I'll go to maybe a 4Runner will be available in a junkyard, and I can rip the panels and everything off of it and restore it back to factory with Toyota parts. But until then, you know, it is what it is. Toyota, for everything for the front bumper, Toyota wants like $3,000. I bought an entire bumper, every piece, every mount, every bracket, bumper, crush plate, everything. Lower valance, upper valances, upper protective crush plates. Everything for the bumper I bought for $300. And it was actually less than, I believe. I think it was $210, if I remember correctly, is what I bought everything for the bumpers for. So entire front bumper. The only thing I'm missing is the fender flares. The fender flares for these panels, the fender flares portion that goes onto the bumper, the front bumper, and then the fender flares for the rear. But I'll come across them when I can. I might still be able to use the passenger side fender flares, but the driver's side are pretty crushed and pretty damaged. But that's all I got for you guys today. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Where did I... Oh, the remote's right here. Hope to see you guys on the next video. I'm having a 53 moment. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace!